Hi, today we will show you how to clean up schedules on VisitBasis 2. Regular cleanups might be useful if your reps have many visits with many reports scheduled a day, so the amount of old visits might be preventing a full sync from taking place. So this is done from the Schedules menu. We select the schedule that needs cleaning up, click on Planned Visits. Here we can see that there are many visits in the past that have expired, so I don't need them on my schedule. The rep doesn't need this information either, so let's delete these visits. I click on Import/Export, click on the text window, click on Ctrl+A on PC or Command+A on Mac to select all, copy, go to Excel or Google Sheets, and paste. Let's delete all these visits that have expired. I can now select only the ones that are still active. Copy, go back to VisitBasis. The text on the window is already selected, so I just need to paste. Now I click on Done, and that's it. I have removed old expired visits from my rep schedule, so the app will now have an easier time syncing. Don't forget to update the schedule when you're done. Should you have any questions, please contact us at support@visitbasis.com.